everyone, this is Sriram Balaji. In this video, we'll walk you through how to build an invoice processing computer use agent for a legacy system using Copilot Studio. A brief look at my socials, my LinkedIn, my YouTube, and my website. If you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Let's briefly touch upon what is computer use. Computer use is a tool in Copilot Studio that lets your agent interact with and automate tasks on a Windows computer. So let's dive into the invoice processing computer use agent. So this agent uses computer use to interact with the legacy system, which does not have an API. So it interacts with it and gets the pending invoices and submits the invoices for processing. This computer use differs from the RPA tool, which use the HTML DOM to interact with the web app, whereas the computer use is actually powered by the QA, which is the AI model that combines computer vision capabilities to interact with the graphical user interface. Because it's AI powered, it adapts to any user interface changes, whereas RPA tool cannot adapt to UI changes, so it may fail if the UI changes. Here is the invoice computer use agent in Copilot Studio. We have a few suggested prompts: get pending invoices and submit invoice for the vendor. Right. So I'll start with get pending invoices. So what it does, this will kickstart the computer use tool. So that will start a Windows computer. So initially it'll open Microsoft Edge, and according to instructions, it goes to the website, my legacy web app. Yeah. And then what it does, it filters the invoices by the status pending. So here you have the status. So if I go here, you can see it'll actually filter by status pending. So once it does what it does, it'll actually grab all the data in the table here, in the HTML table here, right, which are pending, and then it will extract that data and give it back to the agent. So you can see here, yeah. Yeah, those are the pending ones. So these two, it actually returns back to the agent. So you see, when there are tech supplies USA as well as the cloud hosting services. Now the next thing I want to do, now have my pending invoices. Want to submit the invoice for processing. Let's say I just want to submit invoice for this vendor, right? Tech supplies. So I say submit invoice for tech supplies. When I do that, again it will start another tool session of computer use, and it opens the browser and goes to a legacy web app where the thing is here it will actually go ahead and download the invoice for this vendor, right? So once it downloads the invoice PDF from the vendor, it opens it and it takes it, and then it navigates to another page in the legacy web app where I can submit my invoices. For instance, here, let's see, yeah, right, and then it goes here and clicks on Add Invoice, and then it fills out all the fields. Let me open this and show you a screenshot. So it takes all the fields from the PDF and starts filling the fields one by one in this legacy web app form. Right. So once it's finished, it will click on the submit invoice. Right. So once it's done, it actually so it's submitting the invoice, and it doesn't wait for anything, and it will come back to the main screen. So then the task is completed. So you're getting the pending invoices, and then you are submitting the invoice through the agent. Let me quickly walk through how I built this agent. I went ahead and said add a tool, new tool. and computer use. Just cancel it out. I built one for get pending invoices from the legacy system. So the instructions, what it does, it first goes to this URL, which is the web app, legacy web app rather. So sets the status filter to pending, and it'll grab all the pending invoices from this website. The next tool is the submit invoice for processing. Here, it goes to the invoice manager website. This is a legacy app. So it finds the row for the vendor. So this vendor has passed his input to this tool, uh, and then opens the invoice PDF for that vendor. So once that's done, it takes a downloaded PDF and fills out the form in another web page where we need to add an invoice. So and then once it's done filling the data, it goes ahead and submits the invoice form. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.